Most people assume that building wealth requires extraordinary discipline, advanced investing knowledge, or a very high income. That belief is one reason so many people struggle financially despite earning more than previous generations. The reality is that wealth building often becomes easier when it is supported by the right mindset rather than constant willpower. Interestingly, one of the most effective approaches comes from Japan, a country known for its emphasis on patience, simplicity, and long-term thinking. While no financial system is perfect, there are several Japanese money principles that make wealth building feel less stressful and more sustainable. The surprising part is that these ideas are not built around getting rich quickly. They are built around making good financial decisions consistently, which is exactly how lasting wealth is usually created. Imagine two people with identical incomes. One constantly feels behind financially despite earning a decent salary. The other steadily saves, invests, and grows wealth without feeling deprived. The difference is not always income. Often it is the way they think about money. Many people treat wealth building as a destination they will reach someday. The Japanese approach often treats it as a daily practice. That small shift changes everything because daily habits are easier to control than distant outcomes. One of the most powerful Japanese concepts related to money is the idea of focusing on steady progress instead of dramatic results. In a world obsessed with overnight success stories, many people become discouraged when wealth does not appear quickly. They invest for a few months and expect major results. They save for a year and feel frustrated by the pace. The problem is not the strategy. The problem is the expectation. Wealth building is usually slow before it becomes obvious. The Japanese mindset encourages patience with the process rather than obsession with immediate rewards. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. This idea is closely connected to a Japanese philosophy known as Kaizen, which focuses on continuous improvement through small, consistent actions. Applied to personal finance, it means improving financial habits gradually instead of attempting extreme changes overnight. Rather than trying to save half your income immediately, you increase savings little by little. Instead of mastering investing in a weekend, you learn steadily over time. These small improvements may seem insignificant initially, but they compound just like money itself. Another Japanese money principle that supports wealth building is avoiding unnecessary complexity. Many people make finances harder than they need to be. They constantly search for perfect investment strategies, complicated side hustles, or advanced financial systems. Meanwhile, they ignore the fundamentals that create most financial success. Consistent saving, controlled spending, avoiding high-interest debt, and long-term investing may not sound exciting, but they work remarkably well. Simplicity often beats complexity because simple systems are easier to maintain during difficult periods. The Japanese concept of living below one's means also plays a major role. In many cultures, higher income often leads directly to higher spending. Lifestyle upgrades become automatic. New income creates new expenses. Financial pressure remains despite earning more money. The Japanese approach tends to emphasize moderation and intentional consumption. The goal is not deprivation. The goal is avoiding unnecessary financial obligations that create long-term stress. This mindset creates a powerful advantage because wealth grows fastest when expenses increase more slowly than income. A person earning $70,000 and saving 20% often builds more wealth than someone earning $100,000 while saving almost nothing. Income creates opportunity, but spending habits determine how much of that opportunity actually becomes wealth. Another reason this mindset makes wealth building easier is that it reduces emotional spending. Many purchases are not driven by need. They are driven by boredom, stress, comparison, or temporary excitement. Japanese culture has long valued thoughtful consumption over excessive consumption. Before making purchases, people often consider usefulness, longevity, and value rather than simply reacting to impulse. This approach naturally reduces wasteful spending without requiring strict budgeting. When every purchase receives a little more thought, fewer financial mistakes occur. Over years and decades, avoiding unnecessary purchases can create a surprisingly large financial difference. The Japanese concept of Mottainai also offers an important lesson. While the word does not translate perfectly into English, It generally reflects a sense of respect for resources and avoiding waste. Applied to money, this encourages people to maximize the value they receive from what they already own, rather than constantly seeking replacements or upgrades. Many people underestimate how expensive constant upgrading becomes. New phones, new cars, new furniture, new subscriptions, and new lifestyle expectations quietly consume enormous amounts of money over time. Wealth often grows faster when people focus on using resources efficiently rather than constantly expanding consumption. Long-term thinking is another cornerstone of the Japanese financial mindset. Modern culture encourages short-term decision-making. Investors check portfolios daily. Consumers seek instant gratification. Social media amplifies the pressure to achieve immediate results. Long-term thinking operates differently. It prioritizes outcomes years into the future rather than weeks into the future. This perspective changes financial decisions dramatically. Saving money becomes easier when viewed as future freedom rather than present sacrifice. Investing becomes easier when viewed as ownership growth rather than short-term market fluctuations. Delayed gratification becomes easier when future benefits remain visible. What most people do not realize is that wealth building becomes much less stressful when time becomes an ally rather than an enemy. Long-term thinking removes much of the anxiety associated with short-term financial setbacks because temporary problems become less significant within a larger time horizon. Another powerful aspect of this mindset is contentment. Many financial struggles originate from the belief that happiness always exists one purchase away. A bigger house, a newer car, a better vacation, or a more expensive lifestyle becomes the next target. Unfortunately, this cycle rarely ends because desires often grow alongside income. Contentment does not mean abandoning ambition. It means separating happiness from constant consumption. People who can enjoy life without endlessly increasing expenses often find wealth building significantly easier because their financial goals become achievable rather than constantly moving further away. I'm curious about your experience with this. Which money habit has helped you the most so far? Saving consistently, investing regularly, avoiding debt, or controlling spending? Let us know in the comments below. Perhaps the most valuable lesson from the Japanese money mindset is that wealth is built through systems rather than motivation. Motivation changes daily. Systems remain. A person who automates investing every month does not need to feel inspired constantly. A person who follows simple spending rules does not need perfect self-control every day. Good systems reduce the need for willpower. This is one reason many financially successful people appear ordinary from the outside. Their success is often not the result of extraordinary intelligence or extraordinary income. It is the result of ordinary actions repeated consistently for very long periods. At the beginning of this video, we talked about how wealth building becomes easier when supported by the right mindset. That is exactly what makes the Japanese approach so powerful. It shifts attention away from shortcuts, quick wins, and financial hype. Instead, it focuses on patience, simplicity, consistency, and intentional living. These principles may not sound exciting in a world obsessed with instant success, but they have one major advantage. They work. Wealth rarely appears overnight, but it often appears surprisingly reliably when good habits are maintained long enough. The people who become financially secure are not always those who earn the most money. Often, they are the ones who think about money differently. They spend intentionally. They improve gradually. They avoid unnecessary waste. They focus on the long term. Most importantly, they understand that financial success is usually the result of thousands of small decisions rather than one life-changing moment. The best time to adopt these principles was years ago. The second best time is today. Every small improvement you make now has the potential to compound for years to come. The sooner you start building better financial habits, the easier wealth building becomes. If you want to keep developing the habits that lead to financial success, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.